Hello guys, good to see you back. Once again I'm back with a new tutorial related JavaScript, and in this tutorial we are going to learn JavaScript prompt box. In our previous tutorials we learned about alert box and confirm box. Our prompt box also similar with that, but the main difference is we can get data from the user using prompt box. So without wasting your time, let's see how we can use it practically. So as you can see, side by side I open my Visual Studio Code editor and my browser using live server extension, and I already create a HTML document named index.html. So here at first I'm going to type prompt, and inside the round braces I'm going to pass a message. What is your name? Then semicolon to end the line. So let's save the file and see what happened. So if I save this file, as you can see, here is a prompt box and it asks what is your name. And if I pass a name and I want to type add one, and then I'm going to press OK. As you can see, after pressing OK, nothing happened here because we do not use the value. For that, I'm going to assign this prompt in a variable. So here I'm going to type var x assigned with this prompt box. So whatever we pass in the prompt box is going to assign to this x value, and I want to print this value in our console section. So here I'm going to type console.log. Inside the round braces I'm going to pass the variable x, then semicolon to end this line, and in my browser I'm going to open my console panel. So let's save the file and reload the browser. And as you can see, after save this file, you can see the prompt box. And here, I'm going to pass the name. Add one Minj. If I press OK, you can see the name in my console section. Add one Minj. So using prompt box, we can get data from the user. And we can get any kind of value using prompt box. Numeric, string, etc. And now, I'm going to use prompt box with if-else condition. For that, I'm going to use our old example. So here, I'm going to select all the lines and remove it. And I'm going to paste our previous example code. As you can see, in this example, we pass the data. But I want to get the data from the user. For that, here I'm going to use the prompt box. Prompt, and inside the round braces, I'm going to type enter your percentage. So whatever our user pass, it's going to assign to our PER variable. And then according to the if condition, it's going to print the result. And as you can see, after save the file, it asks the percentage. And here I'm going to pass 67%. And then I'm going to press OK. As you can see, it's print you are in first division. Because 67 is between this condition, greater than equal to 60 and less than equal to 80. That's why it print you are in first division. So now we don't need to change any value in our document. We directly get the data from the browser using prompt box. So I hope now it's clear for you how can we use prompt box in real example. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.